Hey, what's up, boss babes, and welcome back to my channel where we are boss babes on a budget. Okay, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lee Poitier and this is Life with Lee. As you've already seen in the title, we will be reviewing some kinky curly synthetic wigs from Amazon. Now, I don't mind splurging on a nice weave, especially if I've done my research. I like the color and, I just kind of want it. But at the same time, don't get it twisted. Your girl loves a nice synthetic quick weave. I know if you're looking for something like that, you've come to the right place, okay? All of the details for these wigs will be in the description box. I did get 3 different colors just so I don't have 3 kinky black synthetic wigs. The first one we will be reviewing is a jet black one. This one is a short bob kinky curly. Here she is. Came in a very simple clear bag, no branding, nothing like that. It did come with a weaving cap, so that's a plus as always. I will recommend, if you wear wigs like I do, definitely just go ahead and invest in these. You can get 2 colors depending on what you prefer. You can get 1 full pack of this color or 1 full pack of this color or black, just so you're not hoping they send you one, because they don't have to. Most of them do, but like the weave cap, I'm not gonna wear that personally, so I definitely invested in that. So here she is, back to the wig. This is why I created Lee Talks, because your girl likes to talk. She does have 1 comb in the front, as this is an afro bang kinky curly wig. And then in the back, she has the drawstrings to keep it tight. So let's try her on. So, hi. Of course, the first put on is not what you think it is. You definitely won't have to comb it out. I'm not going to put the comb there because it's already fitted to my head. It is a very fitted wig. The curl pattern is pretty cute. It's shorter than what I typically would go for. Now, this is just first try on. Let's go ahead and comb her out. Mind you, if you're wanting this wig to last you about 2 to 3 weeks, don't comb it out immediately, because synthetic curly wigs, even straight ones, they do just get bigger as they get older. We're gonna style this baby so you guys can see the full like zhoosh of what she can do. This is as much as I would personally pick it out to be. So what I would do next is making sure that the hair that's supposed to be in the front is in the front, so that when I get ready to cut her, just so I can get a basic like vision of what she looks like and you guys can see me. And yeah, so let me scoot back so you guys can get a better view. She's cute. I like it better than I thought. Like when I first put it on, I was like, ooh, hold up now. Kinky curly, the thing I love about it, it is so flexible and it can get bigger and it can get better, and this is what she looks like. There we go. I won't cut this yet because it's still new. Like I literally just pulled out of the bag 2 days ago. As you comb it out, it's not human hair, so you can't wet it and reset it. I like that. Wet it and reset it. Come on, Lee, with the gems or the puns, whatever. So what do you all think about her? She's really, really cute. Each wig, as I do them, will be the same order in the description section, but they're all different colors, so you'll know. Let's go ahead and move to wig number 2. I know you've heard a lot about this wig. It's been going around, so I was like, oh, let me purchase one and see how they are. I got the synthetic version of that headband half wig situation. Honestly, the curl pattern on this and just like the feel of it and the look feels like it's a human wig. Like this week, I will be purchasing the human version of this wig. 1, so I can compare both of them, and then 2, so I can have one for myself on a longevity vibe. I definitely ordered one with leopard. As you know, your girl loves her some leopard. Let's look at the inside. There are no clips in here. There is a drawstring to make it tighter, which is super interesting. I heard a lot about this wig and I was like, my sister actually was like, you should buy one and review. And I was like, you know what? You are right, I should. And I did. For this wig as well, it came in a clear bag, no branding, and it also just came with a wig neck cap as well. Very interesting. I'm surprised they didn't have any kind of branding on the bag or any kind of like simple card that they would send. So So I'm not gonna pull my hair back too crazy because it's braided. I did do a little something to my baby hairs. This is not bad. I don't know if you all wear wigs and weaves like I do, but half wigs used to be a thing, but not with like the headband. So I think it's cool how they kind of evolved, because this is a half wig basically, where you would buy a half wig, it will literally probably stop right here, leave your front out and kind of blend it. The fact that they made it now where you can pull it up right to where your edges start, this is giving me very like Queen Wakanda vibes. Maybe it's all the leopard I'm wearing. So this is how the wig looks straight on. The feel to this wig feels amazing. Like that one, I knew it was synthetic, it felt synthetic. The only complaint that I would have about this personally, I don't know about all the other headband half wigs. Can you change the wigs off? This one is very seamed down. Anytime I'm rocking this, it will always be with this headband. Maybe that's the style. That's the only thing I would have about it. Like I wouldn't rock this 2 weeks straight. So you can scrunch it up and leave your baby hairs out a little bit more if you want to. If you're like me and you're like, oh, I didn't kill my baby hairs today, you can kind of like pull them down a little bit more if you wanted to. The curl pattern is gorgeous. I can't believe how, like, look at that. Nah, this is it. This is a good one. This is a really good buy. You don't even have to do much to it. Obviously, you do want to run your hands through it at least once or twice. How the first one, I had to really like rake through it, pull it. This one, I just kind of had to like, hey, wake up. My review on this one, the hair looks human. It feels amazing. You don't have to do too much to it for the curls to shine the way that they should. The headband is gorgeous. It's a style that I like. They had different styles, of course. And I like the fact that you can kind of scrunch it up more if your baby hairs are popping that day. And if they're not, you can definitely pull it over and pull it down, which is what I'll kind of keep it at right now. If you're going out somewhere further than the grocery store, your mom's house, a quick run, I would say to pin this baby down, because if I were to just kind of pull it really like off, it will come off. That is very, very dangerous out here in these streets, and I would not recommend to do that, ladies. Secure the wig like you would secure your bag, okay? Like, we ain't got time for that. But it's very queeny. This is what I would recommend if you wanted to wear it up or like kind of have it tied in the back or like a pineapple style. After you pin it down, then you can kind of tie it up, you know, how you would in the back, because this is wide enough where it will cover it, and then just tuck the drawstring in the back. So right now I'm kind of just like tucking it pineapple style, and then I'm going to bring it through the front. Now obviously it's going to be a lot longer because it's 14 inches in the back that are now in the front, but and then boom, it's a lot of hair up there. I like this look. I am ordering the human version of this wig, but I do have 6 wigs that I'm reviewing, 3 kinky curlies, and then 3 wavy ones that I'm doing. Definitely check that one out if you're looking for a more looser curl. So what do y'all think about this wig? If you can't get the human version of this wig, or if you just want a cute synthetic quick wig to pull on that looks like this and has the hair ties. All right, so the final wig I'm really excited about, but they're all coming out amazing, so that's just good vibes. Glory to God. Is this beautiful bang curl. This color, I've never had it before. Let's look to see what she has under her cap. It is a bang wig, so they went ahead and put 2 combs on the side, which I can appreciate. The combs definitely just help grip the wig on your scalp, so it's not so easily able to be pulled off like this. Yeah, she has 2 combs, and then she has the drawstring in the back. Is it drawstring or just like a string? She has that in the back. Let's pop her on. The curl pattern is very kinky and coily. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press the subscribe button before you all dip out. And if you are subscribed, turn on your notifications so you know when your girl uploads her next video. Every Friday is when I will be uploading a new video. If I do 2 videos in a week, there will be one Wednesday, and there will also be one on Friday. All right, so let's get to last wig. This one definitely feels like a medium cap. The first one, I didn't even want to add the comb because it was already fitted enough. Sometimes if they're super tight, they'll leave a mark right here, and I learned that the hard way. Oh my goodness, this gives me, what's that doll? It's a doll back in the day. She had this colored hair. Can't think of her name, but if you know it, drop it in the comment section. She is pretty. Let's just look at it first glance before I start pulling my fingers through it. I think we did really well on these kinky curlies. This is basically meant, obviously, a bang up here, and then short here, and then longer here. This one, I'm not even gonna put my fingers through. I'm just gonna pull it out a little bit more. because I want it to last a little bit longer than just this video. So I'm gonna have to cut some in the front so I can see. So I'm just gonna pull it a little bit more. So let's see how she looks after she's pulled. Still holding a nice curl pattern. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. What do you all think? I'm not gonna cut this one right now because I'm gonna definitely wanna style it when I do photo shoots with it. But I definitely will tuck them so you guys can see how it looks if you were to cut it. Get another close up. That curl pattern is cute, tight, and coily. Love, love, love it. I know, by the grace of God, we killed it again. In my opinion, obviously, if you don't like the color, if you don't like the style or the cut, I understand why it might not be for you. But from me just trying them on, doing it on camera, you know, cutting it as I go or pulling it out and just seeing the potential that it has. This is an extremely gorgeous wig for the price point. I definitely got the color because I've never had this color before. Not in kinky curly, especially since I'm doing all these wig reviews. Why not try it out? You know what I'm trying to say? Like, why not? Out of the 3 wigs, which one was your favorite? Again, if you have some wigs that you are kind of maybe wanting to try, but you're like, Lee, hook a sister up, try it out for me so I know before I get it, go ahead and message me or drop it in the comment section. Thank you all for joining me once again on another hair try on journey. Until next time, stay fly and fashionable. This is your girl Lee Poitier. God bless you. Later.